What up, everybody? Melissa Schultz here.
Yep.
And today I'm just gonna take a little bit of a hike with my stepmother and my father and my dog Tank. So yeah.
Your stepfather? And your mother?
Stepfather and my. Give that one to him.
Okay, right now my stepmother said give us the tank. It is really big.
Give it, Tank. Get that stick.
Like I'm never gonna look at it.
Get in that one. Get a stick.
Get stick.
Get a stick.
Ow!
Should have worked close.
Uh-oh. Those are spiky.
Get that one. Tank.
Without trying to poke myself. Whoa, Tank! Spikes.
Spike.
Yeah, one of them poked me. So yeah. Just a little nature walk. Tank, say hi to the camera.
Stick.
Tank, where's stick? It's stick, Tank. Where's the stick?
Walking sideways.
Here comes a bridge right there. So yeah. That is at the roof. Dad, what are those?
What are those?
Cock shoes, Dad.
Like flip-flops to me.
Flip flops are a type of shoe. Here's a little creek or something like that.
Get down, Tank. Go check him out. Look at him.
Here's a little creek. Oh, whoops. Sorry about that. Here's a little creek. We are walking on the bridge. That is the river.
People like this.
Yeah.
Look at that big bug bite your dad got onto his neck.
What? That's just bruised. But do not mind all the stuff that my stepmother is saying. Mind some of the stuff that my father is saying. And hold on, just gotta grab a stick. Tank, where's stick? Where's stick, Tank? Get stick. Get Tank. I was blocking the camera
There you
thing.
go.
Okay, right now my dog is taking a dunk. Do not sit in front of the camera.
Did you bring the poop bags?
Why you had them?
Get a stick.
Yeah. My father's just gonna get the poop bags real quick. Or not. So yeah. We're going down here apparently. By the way, I say apparently a lot, apparently. Apparently so. Make sure you like and subscribe. And hit that bell icon to get more notifications. Oh yeah, this is also sponsored by McDonald's. Make sure you get the Minute Maid slushies. Only $2. Yeah, for a large. Which is awesome.
There's a well Timmy fell down.
Good thing I'm not Timmy.
Also brought to you by Mike's Car Care Center.
Make sure you check that out too. You can schedule online at mikesright.com. Yeah. You can tell that we're at Wabash since there's the Hunter, or we're in Huntington since it just said back there Huntington Nursery on that side. And this is also apparently sponsored by Golf. Make sure you check out that too, and another billboard. And it's also sponsored by what? York. Make sure you go to york.com if you want those. So now back to nature.
Which is a competitor to where your mom works.
Well, make sure you go check out UTech because it is awesome, and that's where my mom works. My stepmom just works onto a computer. My dad actually does some stuff like work on motorcycles or something. Oh yeah, she also works at a daycare for annoying babies and stuff.
And Christine's Pet Care.
And dog sitting.
Dog sitting. Her own business.
She has her own business?
Yes, dog sitting business.
In case you get tired this far, it's like 2 miles, I think, or a mile. There's always benches sitting around at random points. Yeah. I think I scared one of them. Instead of them scaring me, I scared them.
They said, "What is that?"
Make sure you go check this out. This is really awesome. And yeah. I think you're only supposed to stay onto the trail, no going off course, going into the wilderness, because you never know. You can get bug bites, weeds, which both of those I'm allergic to. Yeah, I probably do not want to see my bug bites. They're a bit awful. Tank, one stick? One stick, Tank? One stick? Tanky! One stick? One stick, Tanky. That flew right in front of her. Okay, here soon we are going through a tunnel. Way up there. Of course, there's a tunnel in Kristen's mind because apparently the camera just wants to go on Kristen's mind. You just farted. Tanky. As you can see over there, if you could see it, then there was a bench. Some people did this at 3 a.m. and then they spotted ghosts. Now we're going under the bridge that you drive on top to. There's the river down there. We're going through the bridge. If you can hear that, then that's just a car. There's barbed wire fence. And also candy wrapper. That's weird. We're going under the bridge. Really just looks like metal fencing, rock climbing, and that's it, and cement tubes. exiting the tunnel and going onto another bridge. Yay. Just wow that. We're now onto the bridge, which no water is seen except we're down there. And there's another bench. And another bench.
Look at the alien landing spot.
And my dad said that's an alien landing spot, apparently. Or that's just or just a circle. That's it. Or maybe that was just a coincidence. This is very local, as there's a lot of kids. So
What are you talking about? There's no kids here.
another one. There's another bench. A mother load of all benches. Just had to catch up. We have walked 1.5 miles, at least. So yeah, kids are right behind me. Besides you and me. You can see there, that is the tip for going the Wabash River. Make sure you go check that out. That is awesome. And there, you can tell it's Wabash because there's the museum. And there is, hold on. There is the log cabin. I am in Huntington, Indiana. And also there's another log cabin. And 8 porta potties. Who needs that much? Seriously. Yeah, by the time that we're gonna head back to the car is pretty soon. And there's another log cabin right there. So yeah, if you want to check this out, this is in Wabash near the Wabash River. Go check out the Church of the Awakening, they are awesome. So yeah, we are heading up to the parking lot. So this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification save so you will not miss one of my videos ever again. Now, this is the end of the video and see y'all later. Bye.